Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Breathing systems part 2. The fourth breathing system is circle system. Problems like high flows of fresh gas to prevent rebreathing, resulting in waste of anesthetic agent and loss of heat and humidity etc. are solved by circle system. Components of circle system are CO2 absorbers with absorbent in it, number 2 fresh gas inlet, number 3 unidirectional valves, number 4 Y connector, number 5 APL valve, number 6 reservoir, as you can see in this picture. CO2 absorbers contain granules of absorbent within 1 or 2 canisters between a head and base, as you can see in this picture. A head plate and a base plate and 2 canisters in between, tightly snugged. CO2 absorbent or exhaled CO2 eliminator. Rebreathing alveolar gas conserves heat and humidity, but CO2 must be eliminated from it. CO2 absorbent soda lime or barium hydroxide lime are used for this purpose. Most commonly soda lime, which contain calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. First, CO2 combines with water to form carbonic acid, which is neutralized by hydroxide salts, which form as end product heat, water and calcium carbonate. Capacity of soda lime is it can absorb up to 23 liters of CO2 per 100 gram of absorbent. Indicator dye used is ethyl violet, which turns from white to purple when absorbent is exhausted. Granule size is 4 to 8 mesh. Mesh is the number of openings per linear inch. Hydroxide salts of soda lime can irritate the skin or mucous membranes, so that's why they are hardened by adding silica to minimize inhalation of sodium hydroxide dust. Unidirectional valves, inspiratory and expiratory, both are check valves to prevent CO2 rebreathing. They contain a ceramic mica disc resting horizontally on an annular valve. Forward flow pushes the disc upward, allowing the gas to proceed. Reverse flow pushes the disc back on its seat, preventing the reflex. Optimization of circle system design. Although major components of circle system can be placed in several configurations, but this is the preferred arrangement, and as you can see in this picture, fresh gas inlet, then inspiratory unidirectional valve, then Y connector, expiratory unidirectional valve, then APL valve right next to reservoir bag, then absorber, CO2 absorber, and then circle continues. Performance characteristics. Fresh gas required to eliminate CO2 is as low as less than 1 liter, but because of the presence of absorber and uni valves, resistance is very high. Heat and humidity is conserved. Usually the filters are used in this type of circle system, prevent the bacterial contamination.